In order to prevent accidental processing of payments for Indian oil refiners that might have bought Russian oil beyond the $60 per barrel price cap set by the US-led coalition, State Bank of India is taking all necessary precautions. The largest lender in India has asked refiners like Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited for information on purchasing prices in order to reduce this risk. SBI wants to avoid any sanctions from the US Office of Foreign Assets Control as it has considerable exposure to the US. On 5th December for marine transportation and on 5th February for transit of all petroleum products, the ban on Russian crude oil went into effect. According to sources privy to the development, SBI has requested a breakdown which verifies that Indian refiners are purchasing oil from Russia in accordance with the terms of US sanctions. The development coincides with booming trade between India and Russia, which reached a record $45 billion in the 11 months leading up to February 2023. Of that amount, $27 billion in oil purchases from Russia were made by India, making Russia the country's second largest oil supplier after Iraq. Russia, which supplied India discounted oil in the midst of the Ukraine conflict, has grown to be the biggest supplier for India, which is the third largest oil importer in the world. 87% of India's oil demands and 55% of its natural gas needs are imported. Therefore, Russian oil has helped the nation satisfy its rising need for petroleum goods. With 222 million tons of petroleum products consumed in fiscal year 2023, a 10.2% rise from fiscal year 2022, Russian oil has helped India fulfill its expanding fuel demand. According to figures from the Energy Ministry's Petroleum Planning and Analysis Cell, India's imports of oil and petroleum products increased by 30% to $209.6 billion in 2023. By the time the Mint published this story, no response had been received from representatives of SBI, Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Naira Energy Limited, Reliance Industries Limited, or the Indian Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry. India is an important Asian center for refining. Currently, it has 23 refineries with a combined installed capacity of more than 249.36 million tons per annum, with ambitions to grow this to 400 MTPA by 2025. Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Naira Energy Limited, and Reliance Industries Limited are important Indian refiners.